race? You trying to race me? Watch out, boy. So yeah, we're going back to Home Depot just to get some jigsaw blades. I bought myself a TIG welder. Have I ever TIGged before? No. I think it's time I open up a fab shop in my garage. I've taken one class on it. Should be fun. Let's see if I can make any money. First things first, we have to remodel the garage because it is absolutely atrocious. So, let's go do that right now. We are on our way to Home Depot to grab some plywood. I went to Home Depot. I went and I actually decided to get some of the whiteboard board so I could, draw on it if I ever really want to. Jigsaw blades, and we filled up at Costco. And get this, one, parks on the wrong side, so like his tank is on the opposite side. Two, he parks 5 feet away. And in Costco, you know how they're like 2-lane? How they expect me to fit through there? And then not only that, he decides to stand next to his car while I'm trying to get by. Some people. What we have to do, now a spot for this little thing because we have a garage cat. What's up, Frankie? Come on. Come on. This is the garage cat. And check this out. What? I'm sorry. What is the point of that? And we gotta cut a spot for this sprinkler system. We got our measurements right there. We got our board. It's gonna be a nice, like I said, shit. So, my battery's low. And of course, I only have like 2 batteries and the other one's dead. And I wasn't charging it. So, I'm gonna draw everything up. And hopefully by then, it still won't be cut because I'm so slow.
Are you posting the dirty clothes hamper, clean or dirty?
Clean. So, I don't even remember what I was gonna say. Little outlets, cutouts for everything. Oops. I kind of went ahead and made a nice clean little cut in there. Alrighty. Alright, so, you can see I totally forgot. But, this whole spot right there, the garage, it's done. My camera batteries died. Long story short, it's done. Now, we got some nice room to, set up a welding table. Well, let's start unboxing. Here is a PRIMEWELD TIG225. Owner's manual. Honestly, it's a lot lighter than I expected it. I don't really know welders though, so it might actually be kind of heavy. Alright, so we got everything here. The first step, honestly, I don't even know if my breaker can take it. Everything in here is like tandem circuits or tandem breakers, whatever you want to say. They're all connected to each other. Half my house is like on one breaker. I'll pay someone, pay someone to install a 240. I looked inside that breaker box. It's a little, let's go to a metal shop and find some scrap. It's already 5:30. Actually, let's see what we got. So, yeah. It's pretty high. They take standing up or kneeling down. I mean, sitting down. And am I really about to hook this shit up and try it right now? And possibly blow my house up? We'll see. All of those legs, unfortunately, are different lengths. Like exact. And use this as a flat straight. Some cutoff plates. A lot of mosquitoes in here. I did change because, you know, I was in a white shirt all day and I didn't feel like getting that all disgusting and dirty. I think this is a little better. Well, I'm just going to start a time lapse because I'm going to mute this anyway. Cutting off these pieces with the little cutoff blade because that's all I have right now. My neighbor's kid is practicing the piano, and that is insanely loud. So we're gonna do something else. So now we are off to Home Depot to get some acetone to prep some of the steel because we're professional TIG welders and we're about to stack some dimes. I know it's kind of zoomed in, but you know what? I didn't film it. I just got everything set up. I was too excited. Everything's ready to go. And right now this is at 60 amps, which legit is absolutely nothing. Well, I mean, there's a spark. Okay, really, I don't think 60 amps is enough at all, to be honest. Holy shit. Way too cold. Let's jump that up. What happened right there is my power cut out right as I was dipping it in there. Gonna do a quick update. It has been about a week since I filmed that, and I discovered my electrical panel behind there. Now that's kind of burning, or kind of looks burnt. So yeah, I was about to, my lights started flickering. I'm about to lose power to my house. There's too much on that, so we're actually getting upgraded. I had a couple guys come out and tell me, well, but I'm getting surgery today on my ankle, which is my TIG torch ankle.